guys that what I did was I upgraded the headlights. I did what I was supposed to do with the headlights. Turn this off. Headlights are finished. Finally finished them. They're installed. Everything is good to go. Got the demon eyes, the halo rings, and then the Spider-Man etch lenses, and then the LED strip across the side, the sequential LED strip. So now I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to turn on one click. One click will turn on the turn signal, which will be the sequential turn signal, that'll turn white and orange also to go with it. So right now I'm just going to show you guys that. That's what the sequential turn signal is. I have the same thing on the other side. I'm not going to really bore you guys with the same thing for the other side. What I'll do is I'll put on the hazards to show you guys what it looked like from the front. So as you guys can see, that one's done. I also got to tell you about these new lights that I have on the bottom. They're from Basilla. When I press it one click, they're super bright. You can see that they're bright. Then I turn it off, turn it back on. It's a light yellow. Now it's a light yellow. Turn it off, turn it back on. And now it's a dark yellow. These things are cool, man. You guys are looking for bulbs. That's 2-in-1. These are it. Turn it off, turn it back on, and now they flash. So these are like kind of used when you have like hazards and stuff like that. Like say in case you get into an accident or something, you pull over on the side of the road. So now I went back to the white. So now it's white again. Okay. So now I'm gonna turn the hazards off and hit the power button for the halos and the demon eyes. So now the halo rings and the demon eyes are on. The halo rings and LED strip is on. Alright. Then it has the demon eyes all the way in the back. And then the etch lenses also. The Spider-Man etch lenses. So then I'm going to turn on the headlights. Check that out. Look how bright that is. This is super bright. And you can see it on the garage door already. This is the bottom fog lights and this is the headlights here. I might have to adjust them at the end of the week. I might adjust them. But this is what it looks like, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this one off to leave just the demon eyes and the halo rings on and the LED strip. Alright. So now that's just that on. So now give me 1 second. Let me switch on the Bluetooth for the demon eyes and halo rings, and I'm going to change the colors for you guys. I have it on party mode where it's going through all the colors together at the same time. And the yellow, blue, orange, purple, pink, blue, all the colors. So the halo rings and the demon eyes are changing color at the same time. And then I also have the light in the grill, but it's not that bright, but it's changing colors too. You see it more at night. This is what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. These things look super clean, super duper clean. Came out nice. Now I'm gonna put the hazards on real quick, so you guys can see what it looks like with the hazards on too. That's what it looks like from here. The colors changing together. Let me know what you guys think. Finally finished though. Alright, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And you know, the reason why I haven't been uploading a lot is because I've been doing a lot of other stuff. I've been having a lot of cars here, a lot of customers' cars. I have Alan's car or whatever here, another TL just like mine or whatever that I'm working on. I'm gonna be doing the same LED strips already. He already has the halos and stuff. So matter of fact, let me just show you guys his real quick. I already finished his one side. Now I just gotta do the other side, the other headlight over there, but this one is done. So his is really finished. So alright, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. A lot more videos coming soon. Sorry about that.